Oh my god, am I rusty. How you guys doing? It has been a minute since I've done this, and I can tell like I'm having issues left and right. Anyways, I know it's been a minute. Yeah, like I said, it's been a long minute since I've made a video like this. A lot of hangouts without any videos. So what's going on? What's the reason? Anyways, I just want to talk about that, talk about what's been going on. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Hopefully everything's been good with you guys. I hope to hear about it in the comments. But anyway, let's go. Let's get going. Anyways, like I said, I hope you guys have been doing really well. As for me, I've just been working a lot. Just a lot of working, a lot of laziness, a lot of Twitch. I've been on Twitch a lot, so if you guys don't follow me on Twitch, check that out. But I actually came out, it's Monday, it's like 10 in the morning, and I know it's crazy, it's summer, but it's beautiful out. And I actually came out, I was going to do a live stream while riding, and I was going to do like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook, and stream all at the same time. But of course I didn't test it before I came out, so it didn't work. I tried. We're going to figure that out so I can do that. Because I always enjoy doing a live stream while riding, and that was kind of fun. So it's actually been a minute since I've been out riding, which is one of the reasons I was like, I really need to get out and make a video, and it kind of give me a reason to get out and ride. I just been working at Amazon a lot, working at my normal job a lot. Oh, what is this? Let's slow down. Nothing too crazy. Alright. Yeah, so I just been working like at Amazon and my normal job quite a bit, and not really spending too much time out on the bike. Especially with COVID and stuff happening, it's like, where am I gonna go? So yeah, other than streaming on Twitch, there really hasn't been much happening, man. I do feel bad that I haven't been making videos. I enjoy making videos. I miss editing. I miss going out and riding. I miss like the filming process. Like my GoPro's been collecting dust. Whoa, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. And yeah, so I really want to try to get back into it. It's just really difficult, to be honest, with all, you know. So the way it works right now is I work super late, and I come home super late, and then I go to sleep, and I get up super early, and then I try to make it through the day. I try to survive. And yeah, that's kind of it's like a circle of trying to survive. It's been interesting. I'll tell you that having a second job has definitely provided me some opportunities to do things that I would not have normally decided to spend the money on. So that's cool. I got the Daytona wraps. You guys probably know that cost a bit of money. All thanks to a second job. It was able to get done without much heartache in the wallet. So I am gonna get a what do you call it? The seat cowl for this bike is the plan next. I need to get ooh, there's a lot of gravel here. I need to get the that's just a seat cowl, but I need to get a valve adjustment, so that's coming next month for this bad boy. Make sure she's running a cherry. I'm curious how the weather's gonna be up top, because it's like nice here. It actually might be a little chilly. I wore my summer jacket, guys. It's freaking January like 17th, and I'm wearing my summer jacket. You know what? I can't believe that it's 2021 already. I'm glad we're out of 2020, but I feel like people think that just because the numbers change, that everything else changes, when it doesn't. I mean, the vaccine's out, so that's cool. As soon as more people get that, I think things will get back to normal. In May, I'm supposed to be going to EDC with the wifey, with K6, his wife, and my daughter. But I mean, unless the vaccine really rolls out like massively, I don't know if that's gonna happen. And we've already put the money down, like a lot of money. So I don't know. I'm hoping it happens. I kind of need that too. I think a lot of people need that. They need a little break from being stuck in the house, man. So me and the wifey were gonna go out, and speaking of being like stuck in the house, we were gonna go out and do like a mini vacation, just a weekend getaway at a resort. It's not too far from our house, right? We're like, hey, look, we just go hang out in the hotel. We can bring dinner back to the hotel. We can go on hikes. We can do like COVID stuff that you don't have to be out, you know, dealing with people, you know. And so we book a hotel, and we're good to go. We booked it like a month ago, right, to book the hotel, and then we call just to see what amenities are open, and they're like, oh, we're closed. The hotel's closed. And we open the day that we may or may not. And they didn't open. They said we may or may not open the day that your reservation is booked. And we're like, what? Like, how do you not call the people and tell the people that have reservations about this information? So we were a little irritated with that, and so we were like, you know what, we're gonna cancel. Screw that. That's not worth. You know, we're trying to do like, I mean, we're not trying to do like a full-on vacation, but we're trying to do like a little getaway. You know, just a little me and her time. And man, it's been a minute. I have to actually focus here. And so yeah, sorry. And so we decided to cancel the hotel, and we're gonna go to Vegas. I called AAA. I've never used AAA anyway, by the way. If you guys have AAA, I know they have the vacation services and stuff like that. I've never used it. And so I was like, this isn't really a vacation. Do they deal like with just a little weekend getaway? We don't need planes. We're just going to maybe drive to Vegas or see what's available, you know? And so I called them. And yeah, dude, they hooked it up. We got a good deal at the Bellagio. Was it Bellagio? Ooh. Let's be careful here. Was it Bellagio? I think, no, the Venetian. So we got a suite at the Venetian, and I mean, obviously they're hurting. So they made a deal. They got a deal where I got a room for the weekend for 3 days, 2 nights, 3 days for I think it was $300. Actually, maybe just under $300. I don't remember. It might have been like $250 or something. Super sweet deal. Like, those rooms never go for that price. So I thought that was cool. If you guys have AAA, that service is pretty legit. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't really want to go meet a bunch of people, hang out with people, or do a bunch of crazy shit. We just need to get out of the house for a bit. And so we did call around, and apparently Vegas is like running their hotels, their restaurants are running at 25% capacity, and you need to have a reservation in order to even like go in there and eat. So you got to call, make reservations, and then they're at 25% capacity for restaurants, and that's all around Vegas. And then their bars and stuff are open, like the bars in the hotel, but they're also 25%. But you don't need to have a reservation. So I assume that they're gonna have good deals, though. Usually that's what happens. They have good deals on stuff like that when there's like no one there. Because we went last year, right before COVID hit, we went to Vegas, and there was like nobody there. We went in December, like it was a weekend before Christmas, so no one was there, which was kind of cool. I like the second lane here. Sorry, man, getting distracted. It has been a minute since I've been out riding, and I'm not gonna lie, it feels good. It also feels adrenaline. I got that rush of adrenaline again, man. You know, after a while, you don't get so adrenaline, if that's a word, adrenaline. But yeah, so that's what's been going on, man. Hopefully you guys have been doing good. I hope to hear from you guys in the comments, see how you guys have been, see what you guys are up to, see how things have been in your life. It's crazy world we're in right now. Things are nuts. But I hope you guys are all doing really well. If you guys want to hang out on Friday nights, we do the Other Guys Live podcast. As you guys know, it's pretty much been the only thing on the channel. And you might have seen me gaming a little bit on the channel, but most of my gaming I've been doing on Twitch. So if you guys want to hang out, come follow me on Twitch, GhostNinja SD, and we can hang out and game. If you guys have any games and you want to jump in, I have a Discord. We can do that. That'll be dope. I'm always looking for new people to play with, especially like for some reason Rust is, I guess, like a bunch of big streamers started playing Rust again, and so Rust is getting popular. That is snow. Look at that. There's still snow up here. That's crazy. There is still snow up here, people. It's not a lot, but it's there. Oh yeah, look at the mountain. You can still see snow. Interesting. I was wondering, it's starting to get a little chilly. It's starting to feel like winter. Anyways, yeah, so that's what's up. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted to say hello. It's been a minute and see how things are going. We're gonna stop here. So with that said, hopefully you guys had a fantastic day, weekend, night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. You guys know I love you guys. I'm gonna try to make videos a little bit more often, maybe a little bit more consistent, but you know, I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna promise, but I do miss making videos for you guys. I miss it. So yeah, with that said, until next time, hopefully guys you have a fantastic day. I see you looking. Peace.